Good morning, students. Today I will take the first class of math of standard 5th, and today I will start with unit 1, which is based on the previous knowledge, whatever you have learned in your previous class. So students, let us start. See students, this is your first unit review. It is given exercise work of different contents, like the first one is write using Roman numbers. Here, based on Roman numbers, whatever you have learned in your previous class, accordingly you have to fill in about these numbers in Roman number system. Second is write less than, greater than. Then find the predecessors of this number, finding the place value of given digit. Then find the sum. Do these sums of large numbers. This large number addition is given. Also subtraction is given. This large number subtraction and addition you have to do. And finally arrange these numbers and add it. And again arrange this number and subtract it. You have also given about the missing digits. In addition and subtraction, some digits are missing. You have to find out that missing digit. These all things you have done in your previous classes. It is just regaining about your understanding, whether you have learned or understood about these or not. Now see, this question is based on the property of multiplication and division also there. We will see later on. So let us start the first question, that is write using Roman numerals. So students, as you know that the mathematicians of ancient Roman developed different numeration system called Roman number system. Different numeration system means which is other than Hindu-Arabic number system. That is known as Roman number system. This Roman number system is different, means other than Hindu-Arabic, which is not using place value 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 and all. So this is called the Roman number system. So what the Romanicians do? They use 7 letters of alphabet. 7, very important. From the alphabet they are using 7 letters as a basic symbols. As a symbol they are writing these numbers from the alphabet, which are 7 in numbers, to write any number. Okay, it means Romans are not using Hindu-Arabic place value system. They are, instead of using number, using symbols which they have taken from the alphabetical letters. So see students, these are the alphabetical letters which they have used in Roman number system. As you know very well about it, we have done exercise work on it also. Now see, I, these are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. So here I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. And by using these 7 letters, they have made certain rules for writing these numbers, because they also have to write large numbers. So they need to follow some rules to write the large numbers, and which I have given notes about that to you in your previous classes, and now also we will revise about that in our coming exercises of Roman number. So for this, let us see according to this number how we will do that exercise 1. Now see, these are given in numerals form, and you have to write in Roman number. The first one is 4. So how you will write 4 in Roman number? I, V. 4. 6, how you will write? VI. Just opposite of 4, 6. Many times you get confused. Because of that, you get your answer wrong. So don't be confused. 8. I. 3 times. 9. X. 11. XI. Again, opposite of 9. 25. XXV. 25. 33. X 1, 2, 3. Now here 40 is given, and I have told that there are certain rules which we have to follow in Roman number system. So there is a rule that we cannot write x more than 3 times, and the symbol. So what we will do here, we will use the rule of subtraction. Now L means 50. So if we subtract 10 from 50, so we get 40. So according to rule, the 40 will be XL. If 40 is XL, so again XL is 40 and V is 5. XL V 45. And you know the symbol of 50, that is L. So students, we have written these numbers in their Roman number form. Revise these numbers well. Practice it daily. Don't be confused. Try to understand its rules. Based on it, again, it is given, find out the greater than, less than, or equal to. So first, how I have already told you that we have to first find out what these numbers are. Now it is XVI. XVI stands for 10 and 6. It means 16. And here again 10 IV. It means 14. So we have to put the greater symbol, which is the greater number. So within this one is the greater one. So we will put symbol 16 is greater than 14. Similarly, see the second one. L stands for UNOS and C stands for 100. So which one is greater here? C. So we will put greater symbol towards C. Now next question is C. 10 multiply 4. If you multiply 10 into 4, you will get the product 40. And other side it is given XL. XL means again XL 40, which I have told you before in question 1. So now see, both the sides are equal, 40 40. So we will put a symbol of equal to. And then on the Roman system, the last question is 9 multiply 5. If you multiply 9 into 5, you will get 9 5 ja 45. And here it is given x 3 times means 30 and V means 35. So this side 45, this side 35 means 45 is greater than this. So this. Okay, so students, today we have revised about Roman number system. Thank you.